Kaizer Chiefs is in serious trouble bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs is enkingeni enkulu, and the reason ngithi Kaizer Chiefs is in serious trouble is number one, 2 games into the season ama fans already awasabelieve kula ma player lawo. Ama fans besawamemeza laphana babhuwa ama player babiza ama player ngalamagama lawa amakhulu lawa. And another thing engenza ukuthi ngithi Kaizer Chiefs is in serious trouble is because number one, Fernando de Cruz is a very good coach. And Fernando de Cruz he plays beautiful and positive football. However, le ball lelu Fernando de Cruz afuna ukulidlala alisuthi lama player lawo analo, and against the Golden Arrows actually le nto leyo iKaizer Chiefs ihamba yasiprovela yona. Now I'll break down the game kahle for wena. When the game started, iKaizer Chiefs iqale kahle game. Bebatholana, bebadlalana kamnandi, but unfortunately Batman is not the wing okwazi ukuthi athatha ama player and then afide ibox. Mfundo Vilakazi struggles when he has to cut in from the right, athatha ama player and offer Chiefs that creativity in the final third. Angifuni nokukhuluma ngestriker sabo. Wandile Duba bekayenzani kula game leya. Wandile Duba watholile ama chance akakhona ngoconverter. Lo mfana lona uNkosi Mphile Ngcobo watholile ama chance akakhona ngoconverter. Again, the same situation esikhale ngayo under uCedric Kaze no Ben Yusuf sikhala ngayo futhi manje. Sakhala ngayo futhi lento lena under uNabi siyaqhubeka sikhala ngayo manje. Why is it that Kaizer Chiefs bona bathatha isikhathi parting ways nama player ababonayo ukuthi lama player lawa are not offering the team anything? What has uNkosi Mphile Ngcobo done for Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi azohlala kuze kufinyelele la? Yini engaka kayenzile? Ngicela nine nazi kakhulu bafethu ngenani ku comment section ningitshela amagoli lomjita kawakorile for Kaizer Chiefs. Ningitshele the number of chances that he created for Kaizer Chiefs, but they continue to play him, they continue to keep him. Babe bambona ukuthi lomjita lona akasi material ye Chiefs. uNkosi Mphile Ngcobo needs to leave Kaizer Chiefs. If abazi ukuthi benzeni ngama bamthathe bamlona ayodlala lapha na kubo Chipa United nanani. But I'm telling you, it's going to be a very long season for coach Fernando de Cruz if he's going to continue to play these guys. So either I'm a player who Chiefs are off form or by injured. Those are the two things Kaizer Chiefs has been suffering from for the past 2 seasons. Either injured or lo muntu lona akana form. Makabuya ku injury form yayehla bese lo muntu lo uyastruggle. Coach Fernando de Cruz ufuna ukudlala ngama wing, but ama wing wakhe awathatha ama run, ama wing wakhe awakhoni nokuthi bazipositione kahle, abakhoni nokuthi bame in the position yokuthi ba receive ibhola. The only person ongena second half watabalaza bafethu la ngilihlephile. Uye umuntu ongenile watabalaza simbonile, he was direct, bekathatha umuntu across. Nini uyalithatha uyalivala uyakhatha. Imagine if la ngilihlephile played with 3 more players abadlala njengayo, would be talking a different story. You understand? Mina noma ungakhuluma uthi awulazi ibhola uthi inini wena uyalazi Bram, that's awuhlela ubhekelele mina, which is weird. But lo mfana lona ulangelihle uye umuntu ongene watabalaza wa change situation ye game and then wa impact game yaba positive for Kaizer Chiefs. iGolden Arrows lapha nabashaya Kaizer Chiefs ngestrategy, and strategy salo coach was simple. Asimeni sibasha ngetransition yamsebenzela. Transition bashaya igoli liwane eqeda bayama. Kaizer Chiefs won't do anything because why? You have uMtasingwa iphase emtase. You have uMtasingwa lapha yana uyu umuntu bekumele ukuthi udlalisa umabuye, but what was he doing? He was feeding the sides kakhulu. Ngicela ubheka ama diagonal pass la mjita la washayila. Ayikho ne1 diagonal pass la sike sabona khona uMtasingwa ngathi uyathena uthola istriker or ushaye long pass ifike kulo muntu emele ukuthi ifike kuye. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs needs that guy. I don't think Adolphe need Kaizer Chiefs. You have Thabo Cele who even plays better than uMtasingwa. As much as yes isikhalile ukuthi uThabo Cele is taking forever ukuthi afite into structure se Chiefs, mara lo mjita lo uMtasingwa lo he plays too safe, wrong decision making, ama pass wakhe sometimes are incorrect, and lo muntu lona bafethu umuntu ukuthi wonke umuntu bekambabaza as an international player wase Tanzania Ntswembu. Sinamajita wethu nalapha ku Kaizer ngisho no Ox will be better than this guy. The another player uyangena second half uNdlovu, you hoping ukuthi nayo uzo change complexion of game, uzophi Chiefs more energy, he's going to make it much more easier for uMaboya ukuthi adlale ungena okhahlela abantu intadume ngayo. uCedric Kaze no Khalil Ben Yusuf bamoshile uNdlovu because against Pirates and Sundowns the instruction that he got was that bidliza lapha emidlileni. Kusukela leyo game leyo uNdlovu has been a player ohleza khahlela abantu. We've seen Ndlovu play, bekangadlali kanjalo ku Maritzburg United, bekangadlali kanjalo ku SuperSport, bekangadlali ngaleyo ndlela leyo even when he played for Orlando Pirates. Under lama coach lawa i2 is when uNdlovu sekaqala ukudlala igame 8:30 sekakapa abantu unyathela abantu shama high press udlalisa abantu ama game abhlungu, and uzoyicost the Kaizer Chiefs kule season le. Umduduzi Shabalala needs to leave Kaizer Chiefs. I think it's time he leaves Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs needs him. And I don't think he will ever offer Chiefs anything. Ayikho into asazophinda yenze for iChiefs. iChiefs impili chance, iChiefs impili isikhathi. Ama-fan abile patient nayo. Khona manje asikho isikhathi se-patience. It's a new season, new coach. Kaizer Chiefs has a lot to offer kule season lena and they have a lot to compete for. So lo mfana lona akahambe ku Kaizer Chiefs. You look at the difference in how Chiefs played when he's there and when he's not there. Hiyo sometimes into engiyithandayo ngama injuries. As much as kubhlungu player malimele, but the team iyasibonisa ukuthi mawukhona sidlala kanjani mawungekho sidlala kanjani. Makangena second half he was selfish. Shabalala. He wanted to shine I1. Bekafuna ukubonakala, bekafuna ukubonisa ama-fan ukuthi I'm back. But instead into ayenzile ugcina limit ama chance we team. There were moments la he was making it difficult for Uphili ukuthi adlale. And I don't understand the substitution. You remove Mfundo Vilakazi. Not his best game, but he was more effective ukudlula ama planning. You put in Shabalala, knowing very well ukuthi number 1 can't play on the right, cutting into the left because he's right-footed. Number 2, he struggles playing as a number 10. Shabalala has just been struggling ku Kaizer Chiefs. He has just been struggling to Kaizer Chiefs. I think it's time sivumelane bafethu sonke sithi lo mjita lona mele ukuthi aphuma hambe ku Kaizer Chiefs. He's not going to offer the team anything in attack. He's not going to offer them anything in creativity. Maybe it was a good idea nokuthi ayodlala lapha yana ku DDC. You look at someone like Frosler. Again, sikhulumile sathi indaba yama injuries oyilimaza iChiefs this season. Frosler is not a natural left back. But unfortunately, because akuna left back healthy ukuthi uzodlala leya position, Frosler bamthathile, they threw him in the deep end. Ngoqala udlalile kahle, but now that isikhathi siyahamba uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle lo mjita lona akusi position yakhe leya, and iKaizer Chiefs yaleka. They continue to repeat the same mistakes that they made 2 seasons ago, signing players in positions la ungawadingi khona. They don't need them Tasingwa, nimthatha nimisa kuphi. You sign a center back that is solid, good on the ball, that can offer you something in attack. Umloisani yakwazi ukora ngama-header, but you are busy playing in Asho Miguel. For the first time in a very long time, I have to agree, no Junior Kanye Magazoti. The problem with South African football is that ama team assign a coach ama player before even a coach figure. By the time a coach seka figure, agasaz no kutayenzeni with some players. It's going to be a very long and tough season for Kaizer Chiefs. I'm telling you, Kaizer Chiefs this season ayikinto ezoyiwina. Kaizer Chiefs this season ayikinto ezoyikompetela with the current players that they have, with the current structure and the current philosophy that they have. Mina ke bafethu ngumuntu ewana nginandaba ukuthi uba nuthini. I'm telling you, from Sporting Direct to kuyale phansi ba useless bonke into abayenza ayikho into abayenzayo bayidlisa le team le bayecosta le team le. Umfundo Vilakazi has been promising ever since he was promoted lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs, namanje usase promising. Aborile Mfukeng baze bahambile ba overseas abombokazi abonkotha bahambile sekuze kufika bolanga elihle phila Umfundo Vilakazi still promising. Sekuze kufika bolanga elihle phila Shabalala, give him time. Mdu is ready. Mdu will never be ready to represent Kaizer Chiefs. He'll never be ready to carry the team. He'll never be ready to compete at the highest level. Lo mjita lo kahle kahle umuntu bekumele udlala lapha ku Chippa United or even ku Sekhukhune United in a small team just like uTito. In a small team he will shine and he will show what he's capable of. But unfortunately Minengange Kaizer Chiefs ayikho into Shabalala azoyenza for iKaizer Chiefs, and maybe it's time iChiefs babone kahle ukuthi bamdedele bamrelease bayohamba basayina ama player effective. Lo mfana lona ayabulelwa Maxwele, that boy was exceptional for iGolden Arrows. Bekayibonisa iChiefs lapha emidlilini ukuthi kudlala kanjani. He was holding the ball better than Umabuye, releasing it better than Umabuye, ne-spacing sakhe he was better than Umabuye. iGolden Arrows won like in the middle of the park. The battle Golden Arrows iwinile la battle leya, and I don't blame Umabuye because umuntu bekadlala naye bekangamcompliment. Unfortunately ngizophikisana nabanye abantu. Mabuye was the only player that looked like he wanted to play ku Chiefs. He was the one bekatabalaza, uye bekazama ukwenza izinto zenzeke, shooting from outside the box. Unfortunately lo mfana lona bekangena support. Imagine if Umabuye had umuntu bekadlala nayo compact njengaye lapha emidlilini. He started the game nolanga elihle phili, Batman playing as the number 10, maqeda kube uye lo mfana lona Umfundo Vilakazi, and then maybe someone like Flavio Da Silva, because against Kruger these guys bebadlala kahle, beba attacker kahle, beba tholana and beba complementana. I also blame ama coach sometimes for fixing it when it is not broken. Uyayithatha uyayishintsha ungena zathu sokuthi uyishintshe. Angithi ngeToyota Cup udlalile lo mfana lo Velepai. Why not continue giving lo mfana lo Velepai game time unless he's injured? But mina bengingakezwa next ukuthi Velepai ulokhunja injured. So iKaizer Chiefs is going to have a very long season. Unfortunately bafethu, this is not the season lebe sicanga ukuthi kuzoba yiyo for iKaizer Chiefs. It will continue to be difficult, it will continue to be tough, it will continue iKaizer Chiefs win ama game sonke sibe convinced iKaizer Chiefs ibuyile. Then ama team that are good on the ball nange defender aba expose, just like how Durban City exposing ngakhona khona eOrlando Pirates ukuthi kahle kahle mandlala nabo Milford nani niyazenzela, but when you play against a team that are sound emuva ucoach okwazi ukread game abatshela iGolden Arrows ucoach abo instruction aka coach be simple, score that one goal asibuye nisime. Ayikho into labantu abazoyenza, bebangayenzi Nixie Chiefs, beba forced ukudlala ngama wing nanoma bangadinga ama wing, ibhola belingekho nalana ngaphakathi in the middle of the park. So iyo le game Kaizer Chiefs badliwe, they deserved to lose, they didn't deserve to win that game. Sure, they created chances but they were not the favorite to win that game there. As much as ama betting odds, I'm sure abantu abaningi bebathi Chiefs uzowina, but yonke into yenzakele ndi Kaizer Chiefs igame iphele ngelindlela for mina bekumele ukuthi iphele ngayo.